Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. For this one, we need to find about complementary solutions. So I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. Later that we need to find first the derivative of yc, and we have lambda e to the power of lambda s. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we keep the same, this one e to the power of lambda s. Later that we do first the derivative of lambda s, so you got lambda. And now we go to second derivative of yc, and we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s, and we go third derivative of yc, and we have lambda to the power of 3 e to the power of lambda s. Now we have this one, so I will put this one gone here, this one gone here, and this one gone here. So we have lambda to the power of 3 e to the power of lambda s. The next one we have number 10, lambda square e to the power of lambda s, and we have 29 lambda e to the power of lambda s equals to number 0. Now we can do about factorization by e to the power of lambda s, and we have lambda to the power of 3 plus 10 lambda square plus 29 lambda equals to number 0. And now we can find the solution of this one in here. So we can do another factorization by lambda. So we have three solutions. We have lambda equals to number 0, lambda equals to negative number 5 plus 2i, and lambda equals to negative number 5, negative 2i. And now we have y equal to yc. So we have c number 1, e to the power of 0s. So we change lambda into number 0 in here. That's why we have e to the power of 0s. And this one equals to number 1. So we just write c number 1. The next one we have c number 2, that is about the constant number 2, e to the power of negative number 5 plus 2is. And we have c number 3, e to the power of negative number 5, negative 2is. And now we can simplify, and we have c number 1 plus c number 2 e to the power of negative 5s cosine 2s. And we have c number 3 e to the power of negative 5s sine 2s. And this is the final answer we need to find in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.